Imagine a time when giant creatures walked where you live. Let's dive into the world of dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, before there were people, dinosaurs ruled the land. Some dinosaurs were huge, like the long-necked Brachiosaurus. Others were tiny, like the quick little Compsognathus. Dinosaurs had all kinds of diets. Some chomped on plants, like the spiky Stegosaurus. And some, well, they liked meat, like the fierce Tyrannosaurus rex. For a very long time, dinosaurs were everywhere. But then, something big happened. Scientists think a giant asteroid hit the Earth, changing the weather and making it tough for dinosaurs to survive. And that's why they disappeared. But guess what? We can still learn about these amazing creatures today. Their bones are in museums for us to see. So, next time you visit a museum, imagine these fantastic beasts roaming the Earth. Pretty cool, huh? Stay curious, Dino Explorers. That's all, Dino fans. See you next time.